Stablecoin card issuer Rain has raised $24.5 million to expand its global payment infrastructure. The round, led by Norwest Venture Partners, coincides with a new Visa partnership for European expansion. Rain's platform lets businesses issue crypto-linked cards, processing transactions across 7 blockchains in 100-plus countries. CEO Farouk Malik says the funding will boost interoperability and settlement speed for stablecoin payments. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.